again, and to spread out disease. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hey,
Hey,
this is a Stardust school bus. If you guys want to come in and check it out, it's pretty efficient, and I try to make it all removable so everything can change inside the bus to make it comfortable for whatever situation
sure.
that we're in. Got the bed area. Let's keep everybody out of the extra walls and the clutter. Got the kitchen area for the cooking and the clutter. And a few places to hang out with the friends. Little doghouse underneath. Go, baby.
Or not.
She loves it in there. Just got her the new cushy quamp bed.
Yeah.
Spent a little time junk arting on the top. Just only rule is no black magic marker, and you just can't write your name. But you could do a little art if you want.
Right. Yeah, so it evolves as you go.
Yeah. I did like fluorescent paint for a lot of it, so when I turn the black light on, it just looks like a whole different picture.
Oh, sure. I've done that before.
Yeah.
Yeah, years ago. But I noticed.
Yeah, I got the little Stardust right there. Stardust.
I noticed there's tigers a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, that was my Christmas present this year. Someone gave me a tiger. I've been having this guy for about 5 years. He's real flat. Someone's like, oh, I think you want another tiger. I was like, guess I do.
Yeah, you got one up on the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what first brought me over. So.
Yeah, I like collecting cool junk art, mostly from thrift stores. People's stuff is about to get thrown away.
Yep.
Give it a new life.
Well, I know I have problems driving down the road and seeing people throw stuff away, and I'm like, there's only so only so much room.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm like, yeah, exactly. Like, I wish I could take more clutter, but unfortunately, I'm cluttered up to the max.
Yeah. Oh.
In small bus living, you want to try to avoid the clutter if you can. Like, I appreciate a lot of these guys' school buses that when you go in, it's just like empty space everywhere. I'm like, oh, this feels so nice.
Yeah. I still have slowly evolved to clutter again, but well, thank you for showing me your bus.
Yep, the doors, school bus doors are open. Just walk right in. It's all good.
Yep.